Hi, I'm Justin from Wagan Tech, and in this video I want to give you a more in-depth look at our solar LED floodlight line. So let's get started. We have a full line of solar LED lights that are self-sufficient, energy efficient, and easy to install. Right here we have the all-new 1000 lumen solar micro wall LED light. This compact solar LED light is only half as small as an iPhone, but it's able to produce up to 1000 lumens of light. Its small size means it's perfect to place between railings, slats along the walls, under a hand railing, or other areas where you wouldn't want a large, unsightly light. This light features an all-in-one waterproof design that is simple to set up. It comes with a built-in solar panel so you can recharge the light in 11 hours under full sun. The internal lithium-ion battery has a runtime of 7 nights on a single charge. This light is IP65 rated waterproof, which means it's built to withstand all types of weather. It can endure weather conditions as cold as -4 degrees Fahrenheit and as hot as 140 degrees Fahrenheit. With the attached bracket, it is easy to find the optimal angle for the light. You can mount it at any angle from 0 degrees to 45 degrees on nearly any surface with the included hardware. And right here, we have the 2000 lumen solar wall light. The 2000 lumen solar wall light is a compact and powerful cordless lighting solution. It features an all-in-one waterproof design, a bright output, a motion sensor, and is completely solar powered. Although the light is compact in size, it is able to produce up to 2000 lumens of light wherever you need it, yet only takes up a small amount of space. Another great feature of the light is its rotating lamp head, which makes it easy to find the optimal angle for the light. You can also slide the lamp head horizontally and vertically. Next, we have the Solar Plus LED Floodlight product line. We have 4 different versions, one that outputs 800 lumens, 1600 lumens, 2000 lumens, and 3000 lumens. These lights are completely self-contained, solar-powered, weatherproof, and require no wiring to install. And all of them come with energy-efficient monocrystalline solar panels on the top that are used to recharge the internal lithium-ion battery quickly. The internal lithium-ion batteries allow the lights to have a runtime of up to 3 nights on a single charge. The new 2000 and 3000 models come equipped with our ALT technology that allows them to have a runtime of up to 10 nights. ALT, or adaptive lighting technology, uses smart battery optimization during cloudy days or when the battery charge is low to extend runtimes by decreasing the light output. The lights come with tough casings that are IP65 rated waterproof and built to withstand the elements. They are also equipped with Pir Motion Sensors that can detect motion from between 25 to 40 feet away. On the back are simple mounting brackets that you can use to mount the lights on any hard surface such as walls, fences, or even poles. Mounting hardware is also included for all of our solar floodlights. Lastly, the Solar Plus LED Floodlight 2000 and 3000 lumen models also come with remote controls that can be used to program the lights to suit your customers' needs.